In this tutorial, I will show you how to create these travel posters in Canva. I already added the same image to a empty Canva and just moving down. So then I'm going to the frames and just use this basic square frame like this. That's too high, like this, more or less. Might meet more higher, yes. Go into the position, center. Grab the image and drop into the frame. And now going back to the frames, and here we looking for letter frames. So I need Spain, so need A, I, P, P, N, and S. Hope so I did it in a good way. So I just add, now it's O. O doesn't need it. So we need an S, P, bit smaller like this. Oops, this is not good. Just leave it like here. And moving the A is too big. As I is also too big. And I need the N. Here is the N. Yeah, it's good. Zooming it a bit. I just check is the letter N is in the right place. Zooming a bit more. And also, yeah, this is good. We're just selecting all the letters, position, and tidy up. We don't like this because this letter A has to be in the center. Not always perfect. Sorry. Like it now, it looks better. Yeah. Now I like it more better. What was before. So zooming a bit again, so I can see the A is in is too high. The I is also too high. The letter N, I think the letter N is in a good place. Yeah. And the letter S, nice touching. Okay. Now it's good. So going back to the elements, using the shapes, using a normal square, and just placing. No, I do it in a right side because it's more problematic, the right side. I would have to move to here and change to black. And the bottom part is also, we need to going down to the bottom like this. And now this one we just duplicate it and zooming a bit again until we can grab it and move into somewhere to here. Duplicate again, just throwing to here, and duplicate again, just throwing to here. But if we would like to do it precisely, this is also a really cool trick. I just need a new rectangle. Just push the letter R in the screen. The screen's on the keyboard, sorry. Just choose a different color. The screen is different. So I just need one rectangle and just create a rectangle with a size of this empty space and just moving to here. So now I can moving. This is not good, I think. Supposed to be a bit for no. So I can play with it how I like somewhere in a between. Yes. Okay. And now doing the same with the distance between the two stripes. Just moving here. Just moving also to here. Yes. So now we created the same frame. As you can see, this is important in this case, the stripes in the same place. So I add not duplicating the page. First, I creating with the blue. So just click on the letter S, color, and we can use the color picker, but here you already have the photo color, so way easier to use the photo colors, which is exactly grab the color, picking the color from the photo. So this is a cool trick. We don't need to do it a color picker every time for all the letters. So this is nice. And if we were to do this one with a Spanish flag, the easiest way, going to the elements again and searching for Spanish flag, photos, and actually I'm looking for one plain Spanish flag like this. So I just add into the project, duplicating it to have it 5 times, and just insert to the letter frames. And now we already have the letters filled with a Spanish flag. So I already like this very much. So that's a pretty cool small trick. How can we do it? And this is also nice because this blue is harmonized with the photo. This is big from the photo, so that's also a pretty cool thing. I did the same here, as you can see. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in my comment section first of all to feed the algorithm. And of course, if you're struggling anything on the Canva or you have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages. Plus, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee link where you can support me even with a smallest amount, which is already highly appreciated. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.